In this video, we will see what is the basic difference between the while and do while loop. As in the previous some videos, we have seen that while and do while loops having the same mechanism of the looping or following the same rules of the looping mechanism, but there is a basic light differences between the while loop and do while loop. For clearly understanding them, we will make differentiation between the while and do while loop. So first of all, we will take a while loop and then we will take a do while loop. First of all, we all know that in the previous some videos we have seen the different mechanisms about these loops. So what is the first and basic difference between them? That is, it is the entry control loop and it is the exit control loop. Why it is known as entry control and exit control? I will again explain it with the help of example. That is, for we will take again the example like you have to take print the numbers from 1 to 10. Okay, for that you have to initialize one variable like I equals to 1. Then you have to take a loop like while I is now equal to 10. Then some statements will be executed and it will terminate. Now while you are entering into the loop, the condition is checked at the first time, but at the same time we will take the same loop for do loop, that is do some conditions and then you have to check I less than or equal to 10, means it is the entry point and it is the exit point checking. So it is known as a entry control and it is known as a exit control mechanism. Now again the next point, that is while loop is the top tested loop and do while is the bottom tested loop. What does this means, top tested and bottom tested? Top tested is nothing but while you are entering into the loop, you are checking the condition and if it is true, then you are entering into the body of the loop. So it is known as the top tested loop. And in the same mechanism of the do while loop, the condition is checked at the last point, means at one times, at a single first time, the loop is compulsorily executing and then the condition is going to be checked. So it is known as a bottom tested loop. There is one advantage with the top tested and one disadvantage with the bottom tested loop. That is, top testing gives us the guarantee of the mechanism. Means if you have to check I, that is for example initially 11, okay, and you are checking it with the 10. Is 11 less than or equal to 10? No. Then as it is at the entry point checking the I, it is not going to be executed a single time. But the same mechanism does not happen with the do while loop. That is, if I is equals to 11 and you have to check it with the 10. But as the mechanism of the do while loop says us that a single time means first time whether the condition true is false, it is executing. This is the drawback of the do while loop, means there may be chances of executing the wrong conditions also, but there is no any chance for execution of the wrong conditions. Okay, the next differentiation mechanism is that the while loop tests the conditions before executing any of the statement in its body. But at the same time, the do while loop, though the condition is false, the body of the loop is executed at least once. Okay, means it is the exactly executing and it is not exactly executing. Means for example, here it is a 10 and here it is a 10 also. Exactly, the expectation is that the 10 this loop will executed only 10 number of times, but due to the mechanism of the do while, it is executing one more time, means it is executing 11 times and it is executing exactly 10 number of times. So this is the basic difference between while and do while loop. And what is the syntax of the loops we have seen in the previous some videos, that is you have to hear the condition checking, here it is the initialization, it is the body of the loop, and at the last you have to execute the statements rather than the uh, previously executed looping conditions. For differentiating it, I will take one example or one small program, how to write a while and do while loop while writing the programming. For that, I will take one header file, that is hash include stdio.h while main in bracket. As you have to print only number from 1 to 10, you have to initialize I, and that is at the 1. Okay, then you have to execute that loop like while I less than or equal to 10, and you have to print that number, that is printf number is percent d and I. Then you have to increment it. Okay, then you have to complete the main. At the same time, you can complete this same procedure with the do while loop. But how? That we will write like we are taking header file, main file. Here also you have to take integer I equals to 1. But you have to change the loops like do printf number is percent d and I. Then you have to make plus plus, and at the last you are checking the condition. Okay, then main is completed. This is the comparing factor of how to write the while loop and do while loop. So this is all about the differentiating mechanism between the while and do while loop. In the next some videos, we will see different programming problems depend on the while and do while loop. Thank you so much.